Before creating material in MM01, do you know where this material number actually comes from? One wrong number range setting and MM01 fail. Today we will learn hands-on part of number range. So let's start. So first we create number range and the T code is MMNR and path is SPRO SAP reference IMG Logistic General Material Master Basic Settings Material Type Define number range for each material type. Define number range for each material type. See, this is for display intervals, this is change, and this is for status. Click on change group or you can click F6. Now create group or you can press F9 and give your group name. I am going to give VMAT number range. VMAT number range. VMAT number range. VMAT number range. VMAT number range, and I'm going to give 11. So I'm going to give 987 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 and two number 999 999 999 999 999 and 999. Just save. Next is assign element group. So click on assign element group or F7 and Control F. Find your material type. Our material type is DROH. Click on DROH and assign our number range number and save. Now to verify whether it is assigned or not, just press F6, Control F. Our number range number is 11. Okay, so 11 number range number and material type both are assigned. So that's all for today's session. Next we will learn about how to create material master using MM01 T code. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.